Data analytics training in Chennai, Aimore Technologies, Chennai. Primary reasons for undertaking data analytics training. Introduction. The exponential growth, with 90% of global data generated in the last 2 years, underscores the need for skilled individuals. Data analysts play a crucial role in transforming raw information into actionable insights, making them invaluable assets in any organization. Dynamic role of data analysts. Data analysts navigate the dynamic landscape of their role by constantly evolving. The task includes collecting, organizing, examining, and presenting data to facilitate informed decision-making. This dynamic nature requires constant innovation, as analysts devise new ideas, plans, and techniques to aid organizations in achieving their goals. Industry demand for data analysts. A wide array of industries, such as banking, manufacturing, communications, logistics, retail, and automotive, require the expertise of data analysts. This demand allows individuals to choose a profession aligned with their interests and enjoy the fulfilling career prospects that come with completing the right data analytics training. Impactful responsibilities of data analysts. Data analysts assume pivotal roles by obtaining information from diverse sources, managing crucial data, producing elaborate reports, and identifying patterns, correlations, and trends. Data analysts' insights empower companies to make informed decisions, from cost optimization to market expansion and product innovation. Lucrative career opportunities. Data professionals, encompassing scientists, engineers, and analysts, enjoy a highly competitive remuneration. Tailored data analytics training unlocks both professional growth and lucrative opportunities in the dynamic, ever-evolving field.